ought to go to the
Where you go? Come here and put together the puzzle, baby.
Better videotape you put the puzzle together. Can you get the lid off?
Yeah.
Come here, Jordan.
Aw, why you run away?
There you go. Let's see you put it together.
You want me to help you? Come on.
You can do it.
Let's put the puzzle together, okay? Get the pieces out. Let's put all the pieces out. Okay, let's turn them this way so we can see them.
Okay. Okay.
Go put it together.
Yeah.
That is not what I meant. You know how to put it together.
Yeah.
You know how to put it together. You want to try again? Okay. Come on. You remember how to do the puzzle?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a puzzle.
Like this?
Yeah.
Where the pieces fit together?
Hold on. Wait a second. What does say? How do this?
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
Is it a zebra?
What?
Zebra?
Yeah. Yeah. See.
Zebra.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
Okay, baby. Aw, you're doing a good job.
Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Oh, shoot.
Gotta fix that.
Hold on, wait a second. I got it this way. Oh, shoot.
You're doing a good job. Ooh, that's a sour.
Hold on, wait a second.
There you go, sweetheart. Okay.
Let's see.
What goes here?
Handy molded bananas.
I got it.
Zebra? Zebra?
Oh, shoot.
There you go.
Good job.
Oh. Let's see. Shoot.
You got it, Andy.
That's a giraffe.
What's elephant? There it is.
There's an elephant. There you go.
What's that one?
Lion?
This.
I think he's got it, don't you, Nicky?
I think so too.
Let's see.
And
There's a bird over here. Hold up. Here, sweetheart.
There it is. What's there's a cat.
He calls it a cat. Which is true. I mean, it's a cat, but
a leopard.
you can call it a cat. It's a big kitty.
Yeah, got it. One more piece.
Hold on, wait a minute.
You do that pretty fast.
Good job.
Good job.
Yay, good
Jordan knows
job.
how to put puzzles together.
Pretty, isn't it?
Does.
Watch it.
Looks like just on like it does on the box, don't it?
Smile.
Just like it is on the box.
Smile. You're so cute. Good job, sweetheart. I love you.
You can do that.